Ever noticed bees tossing tiny debris from their hive entrance? Most people think bees are just neat freaks, but here in Sydney, this hidden hive behavior is a powerful signal of colony health. Watch closely. Worker bees grab wax flakes, dead bees, and even pollen husks, carrying them out and dropping them well away from the hive. Why? This cleaning keeps disease outside and clears space inside for brood and honey storage. But here's the twist. Sydney beekeepers actually use debris clearing rates as a real-time health check. If clearing slows or stops, it's a red flag for stress, disease, or a failing queen. In spring, with brood booming and nectar flowing, healthy hives ramp up debris removal to keep the colony thriving. If you spot debris piling up at the entrance, it could mean trouble inside, even before you crack the lid. Here's the kicker. A busy entrance isn't just foragers coming and going. It's a colony-wide system for survival and hygiene. So next time you visit a Sydney hive, look for those tiny janitors working hard. If they're active, your bees are likely thriving and well prepared for the season ahead. This is what we are seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.